For more information and current price, I have included this product link in the description below. Next one in our list is Snapper XDS-XDWM82K Lawnmower. Its 82 volt power supply offers cutting performance that very closely matches the first place Greenworks and even gas powered mowers. The Snapper is another great alternative to a traditional gasoline powered engine. Just as with the G-Max, the only time it really bogged down was when cutting extremely tall grass on a humid day. At this point it required 2 slower passes where a gas engine would require just 1. Adjusting the cutting height is extremely easy and can be set to 7 different levels. It's capable of mulching, side discharge, and bagging. We did notice that when bagging you're not going to get the same amount of suction as with a gas engine, so there were more clippings left behind than we would like. Slowing down in thicker areas greatly improves the bagging. It has a charging time of 30 minutes and has a folding design for easy storage. Overall recommended.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.